Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change cart icon design on Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify store, and we are currently logged in right here. And from here, as you can see, this is the cart icon for the free themes. And it's basically the same thing with the other free themes right here. It's basically the same icon, so you don't really want that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here on visit theme store, and you should be seeing a lot of themes right here. So the easiest way to do this, to change the card icon, is to change theme, especially the paid ones, because most of them has a different card icon. So that would be your best way to do it. So let's go ahead and check this. So let's go for the paid ones, and then you can see that they have different card icons installed into their theme. So that would be the most easiest way to do it. But you can also go to the free ones, and there are some that is different. For example, this one right here, when you click on that and you can compare the theme, this is the cart icon, and this one is the cart icon and the other free theme. So it is quite different. So you can also opt for this one if this cart icon is that important. So you can also use that. And the other thing, you can actually change this cart icon just by using this theme, but this would involve coding. So if you're interested in coding and going through coding is okay for you, just to change the cart icon, then you can go here and edit code right here, and you'd have to deal with all of this right here. So basically what you're gonna do is you really have to learn how to edit the codes right here in order for you to change the cart icon right here. But that is for another tutorial. So that is basically it for this video on how you can change cart icon design on Shopify store.